Hey, to use your Redmi Note 13 Pro as a remote controller, for example, to your TV, first of all, you will have to find on your Redmi Note 13 Pro this application, the Mi Remote. In my case, it's actually available in the Tools folder on the home screen. So we have to open it. Now we have to accept everything and click to add remote. Now we have to select the device. In my case, I'm gonna use it as the remote controller for my TV. From this place, we'll have to select our TV. So in my case, I'm using LG TV. And now with the remote controller, we have to just turn on our TV. So if you turn it on, click on. And now as you can see, we have to point the remote at the TV and tap the button. So this is actually the AR blaster. And we have to point, for example, if this is my TV, I have to put my phone like this. So now I'm gonna actually turn to the left side to point into my TV, and I have to click on this button. So take a look, like this. And now we got information if we actually volume up on our TV. In my case, it doesn't work, so I have to click no. Now I've got another configuration, and I have to try one more time. Okay, right now it works. I have to just put it a little bit closer to my TV. So I have to click yes. Now as you can see, I can set name of my device, also set the room, and for example, I can even add shortcut to the desktop. And as you can see, now I have to click paired, and now I can navigate with my smartphone as a remote controller. So that's how it looks. Now when I go into the desktop, I can find my LG TV and I can quickly get access to my remote controller from my phone. And that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.